Do you find your business operations becoming cumbersome and inefficient? Are you struggling to maintain profitability and effectiveness? Do you want to streamline your operations to focus more on growth and less on day to day challenges? Now, if your answer is yes to any of these, then you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Mami and your Mami Negosyo, and in this video, we will discuss how to streamline your business operations for efficiency. We will explore these 5 strategies to help you optimize your operations and get your small business back on track. Number 1, evaluate and simplify your processes. Number 2, optimize your resources. Number 3, leverage your technology. Number 4, refine customer service processes. And lastly, number 5, monitor and adapt. So let's get into it. For strategy number 1, it's about evaluating and simplifying your processes. Yes, you already have your processes in place, but you still need to evaluate your current processes. So, identify bottlenecks and areas where efficiency can be improved. Then, simplify your workflows and eliminate unnecessary steps to streamline operations. So, let me introduce you to Ruby, a coaching client who owns an empanada business. We will use her story so you'll understand each of these 5 strategies. Got that? Okay, let's continue. Over time, Ruby was getting frustrated with her business. The process of making the empanadas were too complicated and slow, which meant customers often had to wait longer than she liked for their orders. So after our coaching call, Ruby sat down with a pen and a paper. She carefully drew out every step of how they made their empanadas, from mixing the dough to packaging the final product. And as she mapped it all out, she saw places where they were doing things that did not really help make the empanadas better. So Ruby decided to make some big changes. She cut out all the extra steps that were not necessary. It was not about doing less work, actually. It was about making sure that each empanada they made was the best it could be. And after a few weeks, Ruby noticed a big difference. Making empanadas became faster and smoother. They were able to get orders out on time and customers were much happier. Now, seeing how well things were going made Ruby feel proud of what they had accomplished together. So let's now move to strategy number 2, optimize the resources. So at this point, we now assess how you allocate your resources, your time, your money, and your manpower. Make the best use of resources to work smarter and to reduce unnecessary waste. So look at ways to automate repetitive tasks and invest in tools that enhance productivity. So going back to Ruby's story again, Ruby noticed something about her staffing schedule. Sometimes they had too many people working when it was quiet and not enough when it got really busy, and it was causing problems. So Ruby decided to try something new. She set up a system where people could work more flexible hours. She also taught everyone how to do different jobs so that they could help out wherever they were needed. So after a while, Ruby saw a big change. They were not wasting time with too many staff when things were slow, and when it got busy, everyone knew what to do, and it made everything run much faster. Strategy number 3, focus on leveraging technology. Explore technology solutions that streamline operations. Use software for inventory management, customer relationship management or CRM, and project planning. Choose what would fit your small business. Automation helps minimize mistakes and gives more time for important planning and tasks. And so that's what Ruby did. Ruby decided to use new technology in her business. She invested in a dedicated customer system for sales management and inventory tracking. Now, Ruby can see what ingredients are being used right away. When customers order something, she and her team can handle it quickly. And moreover, she can even predict how much people will want to buy. Now, using this technology changed everything for Ruby's small business. Her business operates more quickly and now can swiftly adjust plans when unexpected events occur. Strategy number 4, refining customer service processes. At this point, we enhance your customer service workflows so that we can improve satisfaction and retention. So with this, you need to train your team to handle inquiries promptly and effectively. So try setting up systems to gather feedback regularly so you can make your services better over time. Ruby felt frustrated when she saw how inconsistent her customer service was. Customers were waiting too long for help and it was hurting her business. So Ruby created clear rules for her team and trained them well in how to solve problems quickly. Now, when customers reach out, they feel well treated and they keep coming back, which makes Ruby proud and happy about her business's progress. Lastly, strategy number 5, monitor and adapt. Regularly check key performance indicators or KPIs and operational metrics. This means keeping an eye on important numbers that show how well your business is doing. It helps you see if sales are growing, if customers are happy, or if your business is running efficiently. This way, you can track progress and make smart decisions to keep improving. So, study trends and adapt strategies to stay efficient. Be flexible and responsive to market and customer changes. Now, Ruby knew her business needed a way to stay on track and to keep improving. So she began holding regular performance reviews and tracking key performance indicators or KPIs with her team. Every few months, they sat down together to talk about how things were going. They looked at sales numbers, customer feedback, and how well they were meeting their goals. Now, sometimes these meetings were tough. Ruby had to talk about things that were not going so well and figure out how to fix them. But she knew it was important to be honest, especially to her employees, and to face challenges head on. It was not just about numbers now. It was about making sure that everyone on her team felt supported and motivated. And over time, these reviews became a way for Ruby to celebrate successes as well. So when they hit their targets or solved a big problem, it felt like a win for the whole team. And as a result, Ruby felt more confident that her business was not just about keeping up, but staying ahead of the competition, ready to adapt and grow. So if Ruby can do it, I believe you can too, right? Remember, by streamlining your operations, you can focus more on growth and less on day to day challenges. Reflect on these strategies, assess your current operations, make necessary adjustments, and watch your business thrive. If you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, remember to subscribe to my newsletter and my starter kit at mommynegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo saying be business minded, Pinoy.